Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can use chocolate chips for quick and dirty dipping. They're meant to survive in the oven, after all, so a few gentle zaps in the microwave won't do much damage. Chips don't contain enough cocoa butter to temper, so the melted chocolate will harden with a streaked or swirled appearance. 28 April 2014.
Take our lead.
Hi Jessie, I usually use the candy melts, but you can use chocolate chips. You do need to add some shortening to it. I'd use Crisco, otherwise it'll get lumpy. The candy melts already have oil added to them, chocolate chips don't have any oil added. 29 June 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
There is not much of a secret or trick to dipping something in chocolate and getting it to harden, actually. Simply melt semi-sweet chocolate by itself or with a little cream or butter. Dip, then refrigerate. When the chocolate is cooled, it hardens. 15 May 2013.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.